So first I'm going in with the co-wash. I noticed it doesn't really lather up, and it's more so of a creamy, slippery consistency. It's not thick at all, but I still expected it to lather up, and as you can see, it didn't at all. So as I was looking back, that's what I really noticed about it, and it smells like coconut. So like that's the only smell I could really give you. And if you plan on using this after taking out braids or whatever protective style, I don't recommend it because it's not going to give you that deep clean that you need. Next, I'm going in with the hydration conditioner, and I actually liked it. It's a little bit thicker, but I don't know, I felt like it just sat on my head. I didn't feel like it actually penetrated my hair strands. And as you see me applying it to my hair, you can see it just sitting on the back of my head. You don't really see it like going in or melting in with my hair at all. So it's not thick at all, which is cool, depending on how you like it or whatever. I'm normally used to thick conditioners, thick leave-ins, so just make sure you get it all throughout your hair. It defines it really well. The co-wash, leave-in, Invisalign conditioner, the curl and jelly, twisted fine cream, and double butter cream. So I gave you 6 products. Next I'm gonna go in with this moisturizer, the double butter cream. Oh, stick. I like that. Okay. I get this throughout my hair. Where how I was defining my hair. I do want to go in with the curl and jelly. See how that works? This is more like aloe vera than gel, like texture-wise. We're gonna see how it holds and if it defines my hair. I have pipe for hair, if you didn't know. I'm gonna see how well this works. Went through my whole head. So now I'm gonna make sure all my hair is coated in the gel. Spraying water on it so I can know it's evenly distributed. So I've only ever used Eco Styler gel to define my hair. So this is something new and different for me. And if I like it, I could definitely see myself trying the gel out. So I don't know if I mentioned, but I only paid $24 for these 6 products, which isn't bad because normally 9 to 10 a pop. So I saved me a good, $40-something? This is my first wash and go of the summer, and baby, like y'all can tell me my curls are not popping. And my hair is juicy looking, So I thought somebody with crunchy hair said something. I'm so excited. Let me find out. First wash and go, and this how we coming. You know we gonna do the edges. So, this is how my hair looks. It looks okay. I can't really complain. Not feeling the shrinkage though. Like I said, it's okay. But I used the curling jelly, so I will not. That's not a product I can see myself buying. It defined my curls, but it give me that hold that I like Eco Styler. So the only product that I can see myself actually purchasing would be the Double Butter Moisturizer. It's the thickness and consistency that I like. And it's crazy. Did my hair, did the wash and go last night, and it's still, my hair is still wet in the back, which Eco Styler would never. So I'm just gonna style my hair real cute, real quick, call it a day. Cause ain't nobody got time for that. All I have me a cute little wash and go. I mean, the curls are defined. If we're going off that, then it's A1. I don't know. I might need to experiment with this some more before I give my final judgment on it. Cause the curls didn't move. Everything. On that spectrum, that's an A+. My hair is soft, it's not crunchy. Curls aren't frizzy. But we'll be back.